TcCryo is a manufacturer of liquid nitrogen tanks in China, covering an area of 15,000 square meters and has 50 workers. We have R&D team and advanced equipment that can customize non-standard products. With a daily output of 500 units, we offer in-stock items for immediate dispatch, with 100 quality inspection. Henan Tianchi Cryogenic Machinery Manufacturing Company, Limited is a high-tech enterprise specializing in the research, development, production and sales of liquid nitrogen biological containers and related products. It is the world's leading supplier of liquid nitrogen biological containers with the most cutting-edge technology and the most innovative products. TcCryo liquid nitrogen tank continues to innovate and has become a large-scale, advanced equipment and complete product model of liquid nitrogen tank manufacturers at home and abroad. TcCryo is a manufacturer and supplier of liquid nitrogen biological containers. Products have passed environmental protection, ISO 9001, CE and other certifications. TcCryo provides the highest quality products and services to users around the world. Welcome customers to visit the factory. Our products have been sold to more than 40 countries including the United States, Brazil, Uzbekistan, and Thailand. Our customers are from different countries. They visit our factory before placing an order and can also inspect the factory online. We provide comprehensive pre-sales and after-sales services. Fast replies, less waiting. Choose TcCryo, and you will be more worry-free.